Hello friends, today in this video we learn the concept of division. Let's do some example with Jenny and Jacqueline and understand the method of division. So here we have 4 dolls and we have to distribute these 4 dolls between Jenny and Jacqueline equally. So we gave one pink doll and one white doll to Jenny and one pink doll and one white doll to Jacqueline. So each one get 2 dolls. Here we have 6 dolls and again we have to distribute these dolls equally between Jacqueline and Jenny. We distribute 3 dolls to Jenny and 3 dolls to Jacqueline. So each one get 3 dolls. And now one more example. Here we have 9 juice bottles and we have to distribute equally these 9 juice bottles among Jacqueline and her best friends Malu and Yabi. Let's do this. So we distribute 3 bottles to each one. One red, one purple and one orange bottle distributed to Malu, and Jacqueline also get one red bottle, one purple bottle and one orange bottle, and Yabi also get one red bottle, one purple and one orange. So each one get 3 bottles. In all these examples, we share the number of objects equally according to the numbers of groups needed, and this is called dividing into equal groups or division. So we learn when a total number of things or objects are distributed into equal groups, we carry out the operation is called division. Let's repeat it. When a total number of things or objects are distributed into equal groups, we carry out the operation is called division. And did you know the division is repeated subtraction? Let's understand this concept with the help of this example. There are 8 colorful balls in a bowl, and now we have to divide these balls into groups of 2. Let's remove 2 balls from the bowl and there are 6 balls left in the bowl. Again, remove 2 more balls from 6. Then after removing 2 balls, there are 4 balls left in the bowl. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And repeat this process again and remove 2 more balls from the bowl. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 balls are left in the bowl. Now repeat this process once again. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now there is no ball in the bowl. So by dividing these balls into group of 2, we get 4 groups. With this example, we understand that division is repeated subtraction. Process of repeated subtraction is called division. How we write this? 8, then symbol of division, then 2, then sign of equal, then 4. So we read it like this: 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. This is called symbol of division. let's learn some term of division. With an example, the one is the answer we get on dividing the numbers is called quotient. The answer we get on dividing the numbers is called quotient. In this example, the number 4 is quotient. Second is the number that divides is called divisor. The number that divides is called divisor. In this example, the number 2 is divisor. Third is the number to be divided is called dividend. The number to be divided is called dividend. And in this example, 8 is dividend. And the fourth term is the number that remain after dividing is called remainder. The number that remain after dividing is called remainder. And in this solved example, 0 is remainder. Now here I have question for you. Let's solve it. There are 15 apples and we have to keep these apples into 3 groups equally. What we do now? Yes, we divide these apples. So we have 3 groups A, B and C. So total number of apples are 15. The 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So 5 apples are distributed in each group, or each group has 5 apples. Hope you learn this concept of division with these examples and enjoy the learning.